Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have the next speaker all set here. So, the next speaker for today is Ipsita Das, founder of Being Beyond, a human skills expert. Ipsita Das is the founder of Being Beyond, a personal and professional transformation company focused on communication mastery, confident presence, and high performance human skills. A four-time TEDx speaker, she's the built on her proprietary MS Repair method. Ipsita has impacted thousands through keynotes, workshops, and international retreats, and works with leading corporates, institutions, and global platforms. So today we have such a beautiful personality here who is going to be a speaker for next 15 minutes. So the time slot for her is 15 minutes, and we are all set for an insightful session here. So ladies and gentlemen, let's put your hands together for Ms. Ipsita Das, founder of Being Beyond and human skills expert. जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, everyone.
Hi everyone. I'm going to start by asking you two questions and I want honest answers. Ready? First question. Who here has had a very difficult argument in the last 7 days? Personal, professional, kuch bhi. Honest answers. I don't see many hands. There's no way none of y'all have had fights in the last week. Yeah, I see more hands. Awesome. Second question. Who here thinks that fights and conflicts are bad for your relationships? कि झगड़े होने से रिश्तों में कड़वाहट आ जाती है? A lot of hands. If you raised your hand, by the end of this talk, I'm going to change your mind. Because if handled correctly, conflicts can not destroy connection. In fact, conflicts reveal connection. To explain how, I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story of me and my first client. So when I first started consulting my private clients for communication, a woman came to me, early 20s, hugely successful, over 1 million followers, presented the national award by the Prime Minister himself. So she came to me with one problem, which was she was terrified. She was not really terrified of failure, she was terrified of speaking. You see, she had this whole year of interviews in front of her, this whole year of podcasts, panel discussions, media appearances, and all of that. And every time she imagined herself standing in front of an audience, her whole mind went blank. All that on-screen expertise, charisma, magic, all just flew out of the window. Sounds strange, right? Somebody so confident on camera is so anxious in real life. You see, most creators, the uncomfortable reality is that most creators rise to fame and success inside a closed room. तो उनको बहुत सारे opportunities या बहुत सारे मौके नहीं मिलते कि उनकी जो live in-person conversational या communication skills है वो develop हो सके. Right? So we started working together and I noticed something very quickly about her, that she was not weak, she was not insecure. In fact, she had built this incredible career for herself all before the age of 25. She, in fact, had this quiet kind of confidence, quiet kind of power that if unlocked, it would just not turn her into some other good speaker. It would turn her formidable. It would turn her into a deadly speaker. So I created a personalized plan for her. And we just didn't work on speaking techniques, we actually worked on why that anxiety existed in the first place. A few sessions into this, a few sessions in, I noticed something very interesting about her, is that I would start the sessions like any of us would. Hi, how are you? How was your week? And all of that. And I could observe from her facial micro-expressions that she wasn't really responding to any of that small talk. No warmth, no engagement, nothing like that. Now I created a personalized strategy for her. I identified, what was the root cause of her public speaking anxiety. I gave her a set of mindset reframes कि जो mindset blocks उनको पहले आ रही थी वो उनको वापस ना आए. and a set of speaking techniques to execute. One of the sessions, while we were getting towards the end of the call, I stop her and I'm like, Aisha, let's call her Aisha to protect her identity. Aisha, is there anything you want to tell me or ask me or share with me before we go? And Aisha says very calmly, she says, Ipsita, yes, actually, you know what? After these sessions, I get so busy that I completely forget everything that you say, and I just feel this whole thing is pointless. Can you give me a task so that I remember everything I learned? And that's it, we hang up. Now, me, as a brand new, inexperienced coach, I'm shaken. My mind is spiraling. Am I not good enough? Is my work not valuable enough? Am I failing my client? Now, what I failed to understand back then is that she wasn't really being critical of me. She wasn't criticizing me. In fact, she was communicating to me how she is wired, how her brain is wired. She was a red. What's a red? What the hell is a red? What does that even mean? Now, what I'm about to tell you in the next 10 minutes is a personality model that the biggest corporations in the world, Google, Walmart, etc., they use for their leadership development and their communication training. Now, I'm not going to tell you this only because you can use it in your professional life to grow your company, to grow your startup, to grow, your professional relationships and leadership, but rather you can use this framework in your day-to-day, everyday life to become a people reader. Let me explain how. Are we ready? Yes? Louder? Awesome. Imagine all the people that you know as these 4 colors, each with its own style and energy. What are the 4 colors? Red, yellow, green, and blue. That's the idea behind the DISA personality model. It helps us understand why people behave the way that they do and how to work with those differences instead of against them. Now, the DISA personality model is a derivative of the DISC, William Moulton Marston's DISC theory, which was outlined in his 1928 book, Emotions of Normal People, which identified the 4 different emotions that influence human behavior, which is dominance, influence, steadiness, and conscientiousness. Conscientiousness basically ये होता है कि अगर आप जो भी कहते हो वो करते हो. So when you get stuff done, that means you're conscientious. Now the DISA model is a derivative of this DISC umbrella model. DISA model was designed by Thomas Eriksson, who's a Swedish behavioral expert, which focuses on how people react to stress and change. Conflict में क्या common होता है? Stress और change. किसी भी झगड़े में, किसी भी disagreement में, argument में, the only thing common is stress and change. D stands for red. Yellows are high in influence, greens are high in steadiness, and blues are high in analysis. Analysis मतलब बहुत detail oriented. Now, I believe, ये मेरा personal belief है कि दुनिया की सबसे complex ideas, even the most complicated ideas, even the most complicated concepts can be broken down into the most simplest forms. तो इसलिए मैं अभी बहुत एक rudimentary, बहुत एक raw outlook दूंगी आपको on the 4 different colors. So what's a red? You remember my client? I said she's a red. So the reds are the dominant types, the bold, decisive, goal focused. Think of a race car. Fast, direct and built to win. ये लोग बहुत outcome oriented होते हैं, बहुत outcome focused होते हैं. Right? They love results. And I can guarantee that a lot of people in this room are reds because you don't get to the top of the food chain without being a red. Now, favorable traits red के होते हैं, they're strong-willed, they're independent, ambitious, determined, efficient. And unfavorable traits होते हैं, they're pushy, they can be strict, they can be tough, they can be dominant, and they can be hard. Now, notice how I didn't say positive या negative traits. मैंने कहा unfavorable और favorable. Why? सबसे बड़ा misconception personality में ये होता है, personality traits में, कि there are good and bad traits, but that's not true. all personality traits can be good or bad, can be favorable or unfavorable, depending on the situation. जो personality traits आपको एक party में काम नहीं आएंगे, वो एक business खड़ा करने में आएंगे. Yellows are like the influencers. These are the social people, the outgoing people. They love optimism. They're full of energy, and like the sun, they light up any room. ये आपके वो दोस्त हैं who are the loudest at parties, who are the loudest in a group. Greens are the steady type, the calm, loyal, dependable. Like the tree, they are stable and grounded. ये आपके वो दोस्त हैं जिनके पास आप जाकर advice लेते हो, जिनसे आप comfort लेते हो. These are the friends you call up when you're in trouble. And blues, finally, are the analytical type, the precise, thoughtful, and detail-driven. Think of a microscope, focused on accuracy and facts. These are the people who love making spreadsheets. They usually make the CFOs of a company. अब एक बहुत simple example मैं आपको दूंगी, जिससे you'll get a very clear idea of how the whole 4 colors operate. Is that imagine there are 4 colors, these 4 personality types sitting in a room together. They're trying to plan a birthday party. Abhi red bolega, you know what, let's get this done tomorrow. Let's plan this party tomorrow. Let's create a group and send everybody invites together. Let's be efficient about this. Green is going to be like, wait. You know, we want everybody to feel welcome. We want everybody to feel wanted at the party. Let's give them singular calls. Let's give them individual calls and invite them. The yellow is going to be like, wo sab to theek hai, but what about the party playlist? You know, let me curate the party playlist. And the blue is going to be like, you know what? Fun is not going to pay for the party. What is the budget like? What's the guest list? Let me open up a spreadsheet. Are we clear about the 4 colors? What the personality types are? Now, while I'm saying these 4 colors, I want you to imagine 4 people in your life who represent the red personality trait, the green personality trait, the yellow personality trait, and the blue personality trait. And I also want you to think about yourself. What do you think you are? DISA is a very extensive theory, and I wish I had more time to talk to you, but because we have limited time, so we're going to scan the most important parts of DISA. Now, why are we studying, or why are we just talking about DISA at all? What am I going to get out of it? Well, when you think about the happiest moments in your life, and also think about the saddest moments in your life, दोनों moments में एक चीज common मिलेगा. क्या है? People, log. People are the biggest source of your joy, and people are the biggest source of your pain at the same time. If you can decode people, you decode peace. Because हम बहुत सारी चीजें पर्सनली ले लेते हैं, क्योंकि हमें पर्सनालिटी डिफरेंसेस के बारे में नहीं पता. Back, if you think about my client, I thought that she was criticizing me because I was inexperienced. I did not have an understanding of what personality traits are. Only if I knew that she's just communicating to me how she is wired, if I knew that in her head, she was actually being helpful to me because she was a red. She was trying to help me out by giving me a direction to, hey, this is the result that I want. How can you get me there? She was actually being helpful. And to me, that seemed like she was criticizing me. If you know this, you stop taking things personally, and you save so much energy that can be invested in growing your business, that can be invested in growing your life. People fight. We fight not because we are broken. We fight because we are different. We are all wired differently because of our genetics, life experiences, and childhood trauma. इसीलिए हम बहुत separate realities में जीते हैं. आपके और मेरे बीच में मैं एक 6 रख दूं. मुझे 6 दिख रहा है, आपको 9 दिख रहा है. Who's to say what's real, what's not? I have my own reality, you have yours. And the ideal point in any relationship, personal or professional, is to go from separate realities to one shared reality. वहाँ पे चीज़ें सबसे जल्दी मूव होती हैं. That's how things get done quickest without wasting any energy at all. And in any disagreement, in any conflict, the biggest shift, the biggest mindset shift that can happen is that they are for themselves. They are not against you. Big difference. कितनी बार होता है ना हम कॉन्फ्लिक्ट्स में हमें लगता है कि ये तो मेरे खिलाफ है, ये तो दिस पर्सन डजंट लाइक मी, दिस पर्सन डजंट हेट्स मी, blah blah blah. But if we can shift our mindset going from they are not against me, they are actually for themselves. Debate में होता है for and against. They are for themselves, not against me. Now I'm sure अभी भी आपके माइंड में थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन होगा कि what are these four colors, how can I understand more about these four colors and decode these four colors. हम introverts and extroverts समझते हैं, right? The biggest, by the way, एक बहुत बड़ा misconception है introversion और extroversion में. हमें ये लगता है कि अगर कोई introverted है तो it's a bad trait. It's not. The only core difference between an introvert and an extrovert is that एक introvert को लोगों के साथ interact करके energy जाती है and एक extrovert को लोगों के साथ interact करके एक energy मिलती है. So an introvert wakes up with 100 coins and loses 1 coin with each interaction, and an extrovert wakes up with 1 coin and gains 1 coin with each interaction. That is it. There is no misconception about the introverts being socially anxious या introvert होना बुरा होता है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता. Right? So blues and greens, if you see on the x-axis, introverts are passive, reserved. Blues and greens are introverts, while reds and yellows are more active. They are more extroverted. They are the implementers. They are the executors. इसीलिए company, the higher up you go in an organization, any organization, you will find more reds and blues. I can guarantee you that most people in these rooms, if you're an entrepreneur, you're either a red or a blue. Because the traits that are required to build a company, to go from here to here, need you to be a red or a blue. On the y-axis, when you see task-oriented and relation-oriented, अगर आप और मैं कोई काम कर रहे हैं, if I care about the task more than I care about this relationship, I am a task-oriented person. Versus if I care about this relationship more than I care about the task, I am a relationship-oriented person. Now greens and yellows are relationship-oriented people. इनको लोगों से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. While reds and blues are task-oriented people. काम होना चाहिए. Relationship हम बाद में देख लेंगे. This clarifies a little bit more. ठीक है? अब let's take a fun quiz. These are cult classics. ये movies हमने सबने देखी है चारों. Yeah. What do you think Babuji from DDLJ is? Red. Yes. What do you think Geet from Jab We Met is? Yellow. What do you think Naina from Ye Diwani is? Green. Perfect. Rancho from Three Idiots. Obviously, a blue. It's a blue. How is he a yellow? We'll do that in the Q&A. So if Geet from Jab We Met is a yellow, Naina from Ye Diwani is a green, Amrish Puri in DDLJ is red, and Rancho from Three Idiots is blue, then who are you most like? I want you to think about it. एक बहुत क्लियर डिस्टिंक्शन मैं आपको बता दूं जो आपको ये डीसा थ्योरी याद रखने में बहुत हेल्प करेगा, इज द 4 C's. हर इंसान का एक मोटिवेटर होता है. What motivates me on my worst days? What makes sure that when I wake up and if I'm not feeling like it, I'm going to still get up and get my stuff done? What are the 4 C's? Reds are motivated by control. Yellows are motivated by connection. Greens are motivated by comfort. And blues are motivated by clarity. Which color are you? How many of you here are reds? Do you think you're a red? How many of you here are yellows? Greens and blues. See, I see a lot of blues. By the way, एक fact है कि सारे population में, not just entrepreneurs, not just people who are entrepreneurs, everybody, even 9 to 5 people, the most common color is a green. सबसे ज़्यादा population में green लोग होते हैं. And at the same time, I'm 110% sure कि जब हम ये सारी बातें कर रहे थे, आपके माइंड में वो एक और इंसान था जिसके बारे में जिसको आप डिकोड करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, राइट? थिंक अबाउट व्हाट कलर दे आर. Reds are motivated by power and results. Now think about this person. Reds are motivated by power and results. Yellows are motivated by fun and recognition. Greens are motivated by harmony and belonging. And blues are motivated by accuracy and control. Remember my client Aisha. She was a red. She was motivated by results, which is why she does not care about maintaining this relationship. काम होना चाहिए. Task complete होना चाहिए. I, on the other hand, am a yellow and a green. So for me, a relationship is more important than the task. So a relationship has to be maintained first and the task can come second. So we are at the end of this talk almost. एक बहुत बड़ा misconception ये भी है कि हम सिर्फ single color होते हैं, which is not true, which is false. We are all a mix of usually one or two colors and one usually shines brighter. जैसे Wi-Fi के signals होते हैं, सबसे एक बड़ा बार होता है, that's the brightest color. That's the color that you're the most resonating with. And this is your default setting when you're not trying to manage emotions of people. And once you learn to spot these styles, you can connect better with other people, you can avoid misunderstandings and find the best and bring out the best in yourself and others. And why Lisa, Ipsita, why can't ये सब क्यों करना है मुझे? Why can't I just act the way that I want to? Well, if you understand DISA, if you understand personality traits, if you understand personality of yourself and others, you can understand yourself, you can decode other people, and you can build stronger relationships. And we all know the biggest thing that will take us furthest in life are strong relationships, not just life and business. You can communicate in their language, you can motivate them to change, you can avoid exhausting guesswork, yaar usne ye kyun kiya, what should I do next, all of that. Once you understand personality traits, you can avoid all this exhausting guesswork, you can respond instead of reacting, and you can work together as an undefeatable team. Before I go, I want to leave you with a quote by the famous Swiss psychiatrist Carl Jung. Know all the theories, master all the techniques, but as you touch a human soul, be just another human soul. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure each and everyone sitting here, they might have some issues with the human behavior of the other. So today, I think you had resolved that in a way great. So now I request Sanjay sir to please join us on dais. चलिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं.
Ipsita, fabulous job. Incredible
Sanjay.
communication skills, public confidence, an incredibly good topic. I love the one, the motivate to change. Again, thank you very much coming all the way from Vadodara.
Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you so much for
And-
having me. It's a beautiful
and-
room.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you. Thank you.